In a recent conversation with Vice President of Sales highlighted the frustration of many sales professionals in this weak economy. He said, how do we gain our attention to our customers when they are being flooded with calls from so many sales reps? He also asked, how do we differentiate ourselves enough that they want to talk to us and not feel that they are getting the same story they hear from every other company? Do you also have the same questions? Then watch this full video. Namaskar, I am Rohit Kashyap, Sales Growth Expert, and you are watching Monday Morning Sales Tip. We help you to grow your business by making sales easy and comfortable. So if you are interested in learning the latest and the greatest sales and marketing strategies, tools, tips, tricks, and tactics, well, then you may have to consider subscribe my channel Resilient Rohit. So you will get the first to know whenever we release or upload our latest new video. So don't waste time, let's get started. How do we gain the attention of our customers when they are being flooded with calls from so many sales reps? The VP asked, and how do we differentiate ourselves enough that they want to talk to us and not feel they are getting the same story they hear from every other company? These are the good questions in the market where customers have smaller budgets and these times available to talk to with suppliers. Differentiation, both the offering and the approach of the customer relationship have always been a competitive advantage. Today, it is a critical necessity. How can you differentiate your company's solution, especially in the crowded or a commoditized market? First, you must recognize that being different is not same as being differentiated. Yes, being different is merely a tally of your unique capabilities and attributes. Differentiation, on the other hand, means you have successfully connected your unique capabilities with individual prospects' problems. Yes, that the connection is also required. So, in the word of Jack Welch, he said it, in every company, differentiation is never more important than it is in a times of trouble. And that's the time when everyone tends to go for the well and equalize rather than differentiate. Differentiation is your special sauce. Yes, the secret sauce which you should have. It is one thing that makes the company incredibly unique, and it's what you should or that should come into the mind when people think about you or your company. So how do you uncover that special sauce, that special secret of yours or your company? Here are the 5 questions to ponder. If you have the answers of these 5 questions, you will be comfortably, easily differentiate your company and product vice versa with competitor. Let's start with question number 1. What makes you special? When looking at your competitor, what you do different from them? Do you offer something they don't? Is your process unique? Look for the ways your company stands out. Here is an example. Domino's Pizza deliver in 30 minutes or it sells free. Although there are many pizza joints and places which sells pizzas, the Domino's does something different. Deliver in 30 minutes or it's free. They have done it again and again and proved it. How many pizza joints can say that? And this one small thing is a big differentiator that makes Domino's stand out, and see how does that work. Question number 2 to ponder. What do you stand for? Another way to differentiate your business is to talk about your core values. In other words, this is what you believe as a company. For example, responsiveness is a core value for an Apple. The pioneers in smartphone, when they launched iPhone, since then they have maintained the quality standards. They have not lowered their standards even after low price competition. It is clear that the entire firm stands behind And because clients regularly praise them, think about what your company stands for. What would you draw a line in a stand for? Question number 3 to ponder: what do you uniquely serve? Your service style, or what unique services you have. Another way to stand out in a competitive market is to serve a specific niche or special services. Federal Express, called FedEx, is officially operation started in April 17, 1973. FedEx did not earn profit up to 1975, but it become successful to build an image in the market as a fast courier service provider. It soon became the top courier service provider of high priority goods in the marketplace and set high quality standards for fast delivery of product in a courier industry. FedEx put itself on the map by guaranteeing packages would reach their destination overnight. No one can give that guarantee, but they did. FedEx has made it easier for a customer to tap your deep industry expertise in specialty logistics, supply chain and e-commerce. FedEx brought several companies and capabilities to form a new operating company. FedEx is looking to improve continuously in order to remain relevant in a current marketplace. Question number 4 to ponder: what pain points are not being addressed? Yes, what are the challenges customer facing that they are not being addressed? If you look at two industries, you might find some customers need a frustration that they are not being served for. Let's take an example. A dry cleaning business might discover that no one in the market offers same day delivery services or 4 hours guarantee service. One of the dry cleaning business is known for 4 hours guaranteed cleaning services, which solve the problem of urgent customers who need cleaning in short span or at urgent basis, or those who don't plan well. Talk to your clients, ask them what they wish to offer. You might just uncover some important ways to expand your services in the way that helps you to stand out from your competitor. 5. What's your story? Sometimes what can make a company unique is their story. Maybe it's the story behind your company name or how the business was started. Amul, India's #1 dairy brand, is one of our country's most popular brand. It has become the taste of India through the years, precisely as its slogan states. Every Indian millennials has grown up by hearing the jingles of the country's numerous dairy products. Amul brand has demonstrated that it is not then simple a commodity. It is a movement that represents farmers' economic independence. Farmers now have a confidence to dream, hope and live because of the brand. Amul in its entirety has demonstrated that it is Amulya, that is priceless for our nation, and that is must be preserved. A compelling story can make all the difference between just another dairy company and a meaningful brand. Please do comment, do you know what makes your company special? How do you stand out from your competitors? If you are struggling with this, let me know in the comments and we will talk it through. What did you like most in the video and what are the other topics you want I should make a video on? Please check the other videos that I have linked in here. I am sure they will help you to increase your sales and business. I hope that if you have enjoyed this video, then please give a like and a thumbs up, and if you don't, then dislike this video. But make sure to subscribe our channel Resilient Rohit, ring the bell to get the notification whenever we upload a single new video. Please share this video with your family, friends, colleagues as much as you can, and to those whom you think can be benefited. See you next Monday. Till then, happy selling. Sharing is caring.